Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start unboxing this iMac so that way we can Mac on the iMac and maybe get us a Big Mac. Oh,
Bruh.
Yeah, okay, let's do it. Oh, these are the cool kind of freaking... Oh my gosh. These are the cool kind of keyboards. Okay. It's my paperwork. Look at this mouse. I got me a nice mouse. I'm gonna go into detail with all of this stuff. This thing is huge. Ooh, this thing's heavy. So excited. So let's see what's working behind this bad boy. All right. Oh, okay. So I've already got things plugged into the USB. So we got the telephone jack, which is the headphone jack, and then we have the they give you 4 USA or USB, which is the type A, and then they give you the 2 of the Thunderbolt, which is, I think it's like 3.0, and then you have your Ethernet port. So they give you all of that, and then your power. This bad boy just come unplugged. That's pretty cool. And the way it unplugs is really neat. Watch this. Hold on. Let me zoom out. And the way that, okay, watch this. Hold on. What? And you see how the screen is off? Watch this. What? Oh, hold on. Earlier, I tapped it and it turned on, but of course it's not going to work now that I'm on camera, so go figure. But everything's plugged up, and we are going to see what they're talking about now. It's really cool that you can change your cursor size. That's really cool. I've never seen that before. You can get any size that you want. Anything for you. Let's do this one. All right, talking about reducing the transparency. Improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. Okay, so we'll be able to, let's just keep it standard. But then again, can y'all see that? Improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on backgrounds. Let's reduce it. Let's do it. Let's just do what we usually don't do, since it's I don't know. Increase the color contrast between app colors to increase legibility. Let's increase it. Appearance. Light or dark appearance changes the color of screen content. Ooh. You can do it auto, you can do it dark, you can do it light. I want it light. Big facts. If you are affected by the movement of the screen elements, you can enable reduced motion to decrease movement in apps or areas such as Spaces, Notification Center, and the dock. You can do all of this, bruh. Okay, so I do know that this is a 27-inch Mac, and the screen is actually 5K, which is really cool. And the type of glass that's on it let me turn the camera around for you. So yeah, like I said, the screen is 5K, and the glass that's behind, well, in front of everything, is actually a nano texture glass. It's not like the regular glasses that you have on, like, you know, like laptops and other things. This one is a nano texture glass, and it's 5K. I also know that they actually use, this is one of the last ones that's going to be using the Intel CPU, because after this, I know Apple's making their own CPU. So go ahead, Apple. Shoot, I ain't mad at you. All right, so we do the vision. We gotta set up all of this. I'm gonna set up everything. I doubt y'all want to see me set up the computer, so I'm gonna set everything up, and I'm pretty much done with everything. So yeah, like I said, the memory is, I believe it's 1 terabyte, and then yeah, I think it's 1 terabyte. It's either 1 terabyte or it's like 128 gigabytes. I know it's a big difference, but it's either or. It's a lot of space. Because these computers are for, like, if you want to work, like, editing stuff or video stuff, or if I would have got the job, it would have been for my work. But I start the job tomorrow, and we didn't get the Wi-Fi fixed, so I'm going to have to send all of this back. But it's really cool to get to, you know, play around with it. I've never got to do this kind of stuff before, so... I mean, it's a blessing and a curse. I'm grateful that I got to witness the iMac in person, and I'm sure there'll be more to come. So everything happens for a reason. I'm still making moves. I went to a couple places today applying for jobs, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, I don't know if there's anything else I want to see with me on the computer, but yeah. And I also realized I didn't get the, you know, usually it comes with, I think there's 2 type of keyboards. This is that, and then the mouse is the same, but usually it's like a Magic keyboard and a Magic mouse pad, or the trackpad. I think that's what it's called. I'm still learning all of this stuff, but you get a trackpad instead of the mouse pad, and I think you can like move. I don't know how it works, but I'm using my mouse pad, and it works. So it is what it is. I'm thankful for it. It's not a Magic keyboard, it's sad to say, as you can tell, but I'm used to those big old keyboards. So this is pretty, I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty nice. Look at it, it's so sexy. That ain't sexy. So thank you for watching this video with me and unboxing the Mac. Yeah, I'll be dropping videos more and more, so keep staying tuned. Don't give up on me, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get through this together. Just keep praying for me, and whatever my next job is gonna be, you know, I'm gonna have to bring y'all with me, so we're gonna make this fun. All right, y'all, love you, peace.